Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely Monet, and of course I'm back here with another video. Why wouldn't I be? And today I am making the famous jerk chicken. We'll be watching TikToks and we just wanted to taste it. This is my first time cooking it, so I never cooked it before or even attempted. So it's gonna be the first time for us. I don't know about you guys, but as you can see, I'm showing you my ingredients: my chicken, the butter, the chicken flavored cubes, the jerk seasoning, the jerk sauce, the paprika, the honey, and the brown sugar. It's all the ingredients that I like to watch simple videos. I don't like to watch hard videos. So this is not going to be like no homemade made jerk chicken. It's going to be some quick, easy jerk chicken that the recipes are already together in there. So I just do a little dizzle dazzle and we have jerk chicken. But I'm also going to make rice with this chicken. I think dirty rice. And we're also going to make cabbage with this chicken. I'm also going to do a cabbage video, which is going to be in a separate video. So if you guys want to see that, you guys like these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys can know when I am posting videos. If you don't know how to cook or barely know how to cook and want to learn how to cook, you can just watch my simple videos. I don't make them hard. They're very easy. You're learning like I'm learning. We're both beginners, and best to believe it's gonna be good, honey. Okay, you guys, now it's time for me to make the sauce for the jerk chicken. And I'm just using the grease or oil or the seasoning and chicken flavor from where my chicken had cooked in. And I'm just adding some more butter. And I'm going to add like a couple teaspoons of that jerk sauce. You guys, I didn't see how many teaspoons I posted it. I just kind of eyeballed it. I was trying to make it to where it would be enough for all the chicken and not just some small amount, because I like my chicken like fully covered, drenched in the sauce. So I think I put like 4 or 5 teaspoons in there. Then I kind of stirred it up to get some of that flavoring off the bottom of that skillet. And I'm also going to add some brown sugar in there. Didn't measure this either. I just wanted to put enough in there. I never tasted jerk chicken before, so I really didn't know what I was going for, but I just figured it would be like a sweet type of spicy chicken. So I put a lot of brown sugar in there too. You know, I love my brown sugar. So I just kept going and going. Eventually And then I think I also added some honey in there, and I only had a little bit of honey left. I also added some chicken flavor, so I just got some cubes and boiled it in some hot water, and I added it to there. I did not measure that either, you guys. I just make sure that my sauce just stayed thick and did get watered down, so you don't want no watered down sauce. And once I did that, you guys, I kind of added it to the chicken, and then I put the chicken in the oven and I let that cook for like 15 minutes maybe. And then I took it out the oven, and then I just plated it with some cabbage and some dirty rice, as I told you guys earlier. This recipe was kind of good. This whole plate was awesome. I didn't know how it would be, but I need to start watching these TikTok videos and cooking all these meals, because half of them are not gonna be great, but the ones I've been cooking lately has been good. But I just gotta get better with it because it's my first time cooking it, so it's not gonna be excellent. But you guys just have to look up TikTok and look up these recipes like I do. Or if you want to just tune into my channel, just like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and you'll know when I post a new video and we can cook these meals together.